আমাদের প্রজেক্ট হচ্ছে প্রেডিক্টিং কাস্টমার বিহেভিয়ার্স ইন ই-কমার্স প্ল্যাটফর্ম ইউজিং ডাটা ওয়্যারহাউসিং অ্যান্ড বিজনেস ইন্টেলিজেন্স. This is our year diagram, and this is the product table and the customer table where we store the data from different data sources, and we will create a order table where all those data will come from those two tables, product and customer, as a data source. So we will be using Talend to integrating different sources to PostgreSQL. So this is a data source from MySQL, and we have customer data source from Excel file. So now we will be using Talend to integrate those two data source to our PostgreSQL. So for this, in Talend we have to create a job first. Here we need to add some data source first. At first we are adding a Excel data source of customers by creating a new Excel file. We need to provide the name for the Excel file. Then we need to select the file. So we have added the dataset from Excel. Then we have to select the file input Excel. Then we need to create a new connection for PSMyAdmin by right click on it. Then we need to select the database type. It is MySQL. The database will be purchase report. Then we need to select the data source from the database. For that we need to retrieve the schema. These two are our dimension table, and now we are going to use the fact table. For that we need to create a new database connection again to connect with PostgreSQL. Then we have to retrieve schema from PostgreSQL. And before that we need to create a table in Postgres first. Then we need to use tmap to integrate both data source with PostgreSQL, and we need to make connection here. Now we need to map the attribute from different data source with the fact table. Now we need to run the job. Now we can see the data are going through the fact table, and all the data are storing in the PostgreSQL table. Here all the data all the data is storing here. And now we can make some queries and analyze data from this data source. Thank you.